are showing you a great quality of Loligo Squid from Pakistan, and you can see the quality of a grade squid is very good, and you can see in A grade you can find out some little rapture skin, and some red skin also have. So it's a mix. Mostly this quality they use biofuels in for reprocessing and clean squid, rings, and whatever they want to do with it, depend on their demand and their customers. So as you can see, the quality is A grade. We will show you the grammage size of this squid for some checking. Gram, one piece, 70 gram a piece. You can see this is 70. The grammage is 80 gram. It's 90 gram. This is called A grade. A grade from Pakistan, and little bit skin rapture, but it's fine for you. And mostly used in reprocessing factories, make rings, clean tubes, many things as per their demand. So it's just a peeling time. Showing you the peeling. Actually, as per our order, we have demand to show the customer after peeling, only peeling, not guts out. Just peel and cut the squid from the middle. We show this to our customer. See the quality. Very good. Very beautiful quality of fish. This is the squid A grade from Pakistan, and you can see the quality after cutted A grade squid from the middle. To see the inside quality of the squid, you can see very good quality from inside. This is A grade squid from Pakistan. Hifaa is providing this squid from Pakistan. As you can see, this is after cutted the squid. See the quality, very fresh. This is a good squid from Pakistan. Hifaa are supplying this squid from Pakistan. Very beautiful quality. You can see the product is a good quality.